Turn up your favorite songs and get into the zone with ad-free music listening. Enjoy 2 months of premium for 800 Naira. Tap the banner to learn more. Cue up the classics, or stay in the loop with the latest hits. With Premium, you can play any song you're in the mood for, in any order. Hit play on 2 months of Premium for 800 Naira. Tap the banner to learn more.
Good morning, guys. There's nothing going on here, so let's look at gold. So gold is looking good for break and retest. Looking good currently now for break and retest. This level broke above, came back into the zone. So I'm looking for opportunities right now to go for shorts on gold. If it breaks below, its current low now again, I think that should be a good opportunity to sell gold, but 100 pip stop loss. I don't think I want to have a 100 pip stop loss on gold. So I prefer to have a stop loss above the 5 minutes highs. But since this is like the last 10 minutes of the R candle, I don't know if I want to be in a position right now. Because since it's like the last 5 minutes. So I feel like if it breaks this high right now, this low, it should move. And I think I'll give my trader an opportunity to see if it's going to move. I'll just reduce my risks. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reduce my risks and see. But let's wait. Let's get something a lot more better. Let's see 30 minutes. Let's see good on 30 minutes. Okay. Let me clear off everything. Let's do a proper top-down analysis. Let's do what we usually know how to do on the chart. So you guys can hear me. So let's go from gold daily time frame and let's scale down to the current time frame. And from there we can get something clean, something more respectful. So let's do that. So let's take a quick look at this. So this is gold on the daily time frame. What do we notice first of all? The price failed to close below this daily support. So this is daily support, but it closed below this one though, because this is recent. But this is like a major one because this is also a place price move from, and also a place price I rejected multiple times before and move from. So that is what we are seeing now. Now look at gold on the daily time frame, or 1 second, guys. So if you look at gold on the daily time frame or the current candle now, you can see that gold has broken below the previous low, created a wick above, and then pushed down, came down to create a low. So gold has practically moved around. Gold has practically moved around 700 today. So that's what I'm seeing currently. Gold has moved around 700. So what can I do? What can I do to look for opportunities to get into this trade right now? So if I go down to the 4 hour time frame, because I'm just looking for possible setup. I can see the 4 hours has a strong bearish close, and this candle, this current 4 hour candle, is looking like a retest to continue pushing downwards. Now let's look at gold on our left hand side. Let's see what we see. So on the left hand side, on the 4 hours, we also have a 4 hours support here. So let's go back to where we are. So this is it. This is what we're working with. You can see on the left, this support will hold this level. So this is an opportunity that could likely happen. But how can we jump into the trade? We need something clean, we need something good. But currently now, the idea I had on this trade, I can no longer enter it because it's particularly like 5 more minutes to the close of the candle. So I don't want to dive into any trade. And since I'm seeing about 100 pip stop loss, I'm not trying to do partake in that. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the 1 hour is telling us now. And the 1 hour is the same thing. The 1 hour, you can see the strong bearish push. It has not closed. You have about 6 more minutes. It should be nice if it close like this, and so the next candle can most likely break slow and move. That's something that can happen, but we just have to wait. You get anything that price does now. I don't think I want to be part of it. So I will try and wait as long as I can wait for the candles to close. Then from there I can look for our own entries. I think that's what exactly I'm going to do on gold. So I'm going to wait for the 15 minutes to close, 1 hour candle to close. So now we go to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's get down to it. You guys can see how I'm trying to explain gold to the best of my abilities. So now we also have to have in back of our mind that we're always looking for two opportunities anytime we go to come to the market. We're always looking for opportunities to buy. I want to look for opportunities to sell. These 30 minutes I've drawn up about here is a good opportunity for us to buy. But we have a resistance that is playing a major role at this place. So we cannot look to buy the price from there. And another thing is that if I also measure the range, you can see it's like about 200 or 300 pips. See, it's up close to 200 pips. So it's crazy. You just need price to create an actual structure. Now, why the sell is looking good is because there was a pull up, like price pulled back to this level of resistance and break above and gave us an engulfing candle. So that engulfing candle has said a lot of how price and where price will likely go. So you can expect price to drive to the downside because it has engulfed this 15-minute candle and engulfed this candle, and it's showing all signs of bearish continuation. So this is like signs of I want to continue pushing downwards. You get, no signs of bearish continuation. But like I said, I would have preferred this price to close on the 1 hour like quick rejection. So we can look for actual continuation. If there's volume on London section, we will continue the price to the downside, which means let me go to 30 minutes. Let me show you guys. So in 30 minutes time frame, if we close like this, I just need price to give us a pullback. We need a pullback. We don't need price pulling back to the upside like a retest. And at the flip of the candle, we look to sell below this low and try to fill up this week. So this is something we'll look for to do. And mind you, today is Monday, so we should not be in a hurry to look for any opportunity. That can be very chilled. We have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, we have Friday. So we should be just very chilled and see how price goes. Anything price gives us, we just make advantage of it and see how we can make some money out of it. So if that's basically all we're looking for today in the chat. Okay. Look for there. Look for there. So that's it, guys. So let's wait for price to close and we look for opportunities. If I go to my 15 minutes, I'll be 5 minutes because I'm looking for. See, if I rush now and place a trade on gold, this is why I said to be patient. If I rush and place a trade on gold now, because I'm looking for opportunities to sell gold from here. You see, price has pulled down now, and you see it's back up. So that why it's good to be patient. You have to be patient enough to wait for something clean, something good before you enter your trade. And it's as if price was trying to create a bottom wick for the price, but let's wait, guys. Let's wait. You might not get a clean opportunity this morning, and if you don't get a clean opportunity, I don't think I will be interested in getting into any positions. So just to be clear. So let's just wait for price to do its thing and see how we can profit of it. That's it. So let me also tell you guys something like this. Now that gold is likely doing what it's doing now, if we close like that, know that price is also creating a level of what support for us. So there's a minor support here. If you close bearish like that, bullish like that, so there's a minor support. So we wait for that. If you close like this, in few more seconds, you're going to see if you're going to close bullish or not. So now we have a minor support here, which is good. Now we need the also actually consider going for short we need the next 15 minutes to maybe pull back up a bit and close bearish like this. Then after I close bearish, we can look for a retest of the candle. Then, sorry, let me clear that again. So now I'm good that price didn't do exactly what I want to do, and it's closing like this, meaning that price has created what a support level. This line I just drew now. So what I want price to do is the next 15 minutes candle, which is the London open on gold, to pull back up and have like a 15 minutes close below this way. Then I can look for the next candle to like retest. Then I can sell off. There's a lot of, no worry, this is a lot of pip count. This is what I can use to possible continue and price end of the week. So this is what I should look for. So I'm looking for an opportunity. Also, I'll just wait for the next 15 minutes and I want price. Hopefully it doesn't push too down. Push in the way I can enter it, because if we push too down, I don't think I'll be able to enter it unless I will now switch to the 30 minutes and enter all the 30 minutes low, like price closing below, like the 30 minutes candle now closing bearish like this, the 30 minutes candle on gold closing bearish like this below the structure, below this level. Then we can look for a retest and we can sell the price downwards. So this is what we can do. So you just have to wait. It's only waiting game. Just wait for your setup to come in place and you look how you can place a trade from it. I think that's all I can say for now. So let's wait. If we miss it, if price push too much to the downside, I will miss the move. It wasn't our move, so we're just waiting for the next best thing to happen. So we'll wait 15 minutes. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. So guys, we are not doing anything right now. We're just waiting for gold. So I'm trying to look at BTC for a second. So let's sorry, I was on my phone. I got distracted by my phone since I was actually just waiting for gold to do its thing. So let me see if I can break down gold BTC for a second. And so Bitcoin currently is practically, one second guys. All right. So Bitcoin practically is massively trying to push down, and looking from the weekly, the next level it could most likely reach is this low here, and which is 55,000. And the last time price even got to being in this low was sometime February, and the last time price got to being in this low was this was February what? Let me see, February 26th, yeah. So last time price got to be in this low was 2000 and 2024. Sorry, 2024. 2024. So are we going to see a deep price coming down? You can see there's a pattern. I'm seeing head and shoulder, and I'm seeing price facing um from this high. You can see the invert and price pushing down. So are we going to see price falling more? You can even see it in this level. The same thing price did here. That was almost similar to price did here before. It dipped down to 15,000 before pushing back up. So and you can see this is like bearish continuation. Price is actually showing a lot of momentum that it wants to push down. So you might actually get to this point, 54,000. Then you might rebound here for a while before pushing upward. That I say on Bitcoin um weekly time frame. So if we go down to Bitcoin daily, the daily actually closed bullish above this daily um support. So what was going to happen is the next daily support, this next candle now is going to define a lot about the direction of the price. It's going to push up a bit for looking whether I want to go down back or something, but it's going to define a lot. So in the 4 hours time frame on BTC, we have some bearish momentum. Okay, there's a double, there's a resistance, above where price is trying to getting from. But you can see price already creating higher and higher lows, low key, very creating higher and higher lows. So it might just be a counter trend for a continuation to the downside. But for someone like me that scalp, I can get opportunities to buy, I can get opportunities to sell. I just look for what I need to see, because I can really see in the 4 hours opportunities, like 16 opportunities when price was falling down. If I go down to a much longer time frame, I believe I should see a much cleaner entry that I would have used to enter some trades. Let me see. Yeah, this is exactly the same thing I'm talking about. So this is like upper entry, break of the lows, price push downwards. Even the same one, break of the lows, price here, price push downwards. So the obviously there are entries you can use. This one to break of the lows, price push down. So there's always entries for us. Even here, so break of the lows, price push down. So there's entries. I always let you guys know that the strategy I use work on practically all um as long as you know your price actions, know your levels, you respect all the time, you respect everywhere. That's practically what I want you guys to know. That is what I want you guys to know. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Actually, we're waiting for if you're just joining the stream now, go back, like take the stream backward a bit. You see opportunity I'm looking for on good. I'm looking for good and good. I'm just waiting for good to close a certain way. But I haven't gotten that yet, so I'm just still waiting. I don't think we'll get that anytime soon. So, I'm just waiting for the 15-minute close. If I don't get the 15, we'll wait for the 30. It's simple. We're just waiting. We have to wait. We can't force anything. We wait for Google to um give us a move. So we need this candle closing below. And we have just 3 more minutes to the end of the candle. So I doubt that it's going to be possible. Like I said this in beginning of this video that we might not get opportunities with the way the price is moving. And mind you, based on the fact that on Friday was NFP, so a lot already happened in the market. So we're just trying to force a trade or force an opportunity. But I mentioned that we might not actually get a setup. That's very, very much possible. So I'm looking for sales. I don't like the buys because there's a lot of resistance everywhere. So price can buy. There's possibility that price may push up, but I do not like, from my point of view, from my standpoint, I do not like the buys. So just wait. We're just waiting, guys. The price decides push, keep going, then that's fine. We'll just go back tomorrow or we'll check on Google doing NY. Well, I doubt I might check on Gold. I might just come back tomorrow. Because once I leave my chat, I leave my chat. Unless I'm actually trying to target something or look for something. But once I leave my chat, I leave my chat. Any questions? Shoot me if you guys have any questions. Anything you want to ask me? Any pair you want me to look at? Anything you want me to analyze? Just ask me, and let's keep the stream going. Let's keep the stream entertained. Let's keep the stream pushing. So guys, I'm currently very soon I'm working. I just had a bit of small hiccup. So I'm working on a video that I'm supposed to drop pretty much soon, and it's regard to me passing a prop firm. So that's the content of the video. Price is pushing up, man. It created a structure and it pushed up. You might actually get a bullish push to the upside. So I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the trade right now, and it's telling me something. The only problem I had there with buying, I would have loved to buy this price if you can't close above. I would have loved to, but I don't think it's even going to close above. But I would have loved to. But the problem is there's this levels here. This levels is the problem. If I take a buy from here to this point, that's already 40 people. It's not bad. It's not bad. But I doubt the point. First of all, I don't think it can even close above, so that's a no. So it has created a top week for the 30 minutes as well. This candidate didn't really have a top week, so it has created a top week. And now let's push down. So I strongly feel like the price is going to push down. Close the way I want it to close. Then we can. It's like moving like 100 pips. So it's moving like 100 pips. So let's see. Let's wait for the next 15. The next 15 to tell us his own story. So this price actually, this level now actually holds strong. It actually holds strong because from here it's pushed up. So let's see if we can get the closure we need. From there, look for opportunities. Well, there's a lot of rejection, very 3 rejections already. So I actually need a very solid like a very solid closure. I mean, I'll just wait for the 30 minutes. So let's see how it goes. No, I mean, I'm actually waiting for the 30 minutes. So let's see how that goes. So the price is pushing up. It is getting to this level I spoke about. You can see that's exactly what the price is right now. So let's see. Maybe price can decide it wants to close above there too. So there's a possibility that I might want to close above this level. Yeah. But whatever it's gonna do, let's do what I want to do. Let me check out something. Let's see, guys. Let's see.
Some surprise action catalyst to the downside. So it's not bearish. Market 13 support.
So I'm not comfortable about any setup this morning. I'm just not comfortable by the way the candles are moving. So I think I'll be looking to round up the stream pretty much soon because I'm not comfortable with the candles. Just stay for a while, just a little while, and yeah, end of the stream. Practically, the candle just rejected back the level. Just rejected. You can see it's pushing down. Now we're back into the range. We're back. This kind of moved about 420 pip and came back down. So let's see. I'm about to end the stream anytime soon, but let's just see. Let's see. Let's see. At this point, we just want. I can't get into any buys on good. I just want this candle closing. Hold on, guys. I just want this candle closing bearish below, like this. This is what I want price to do. Just close bearish like this. Looking for it. Just so I can't get into any buys there. You can see levels. See, if I want to look for buys, it's above here. This is where my clean buys is. Above here in my clean buys, and that is around, from this candle to that spot is around 200 people. Alright, guys. I'm about to go do something because I'm stepping out pretty much soon. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna leave this running for a second for a while. Then by the time I'm back, it should be like when I'm about to leave, when I'm about to step out. So I'm coming, guys. All right, guys, this is where I'm going to end the stream today. But I'm stepping out. So if I come back from where I'm heading to and this trade is playing out well, then I'm going to call it out for you guys. But for now, there's nothing going on. So this is just this is just the low and high I'm looking at. So this is what I'm looking to buy gold. I'm going to buy gold from this level, and I don't like the way the structure is, so I'm looking to sell gold below this level on the 15 minutes. But for the 30 minutes time frame, the levels adjusted to this low here. So this is what I'm working with right now. So we're in a 300 pip range, 350 pip range. So from what you're doing today, just try and reduce your positions, reduce your loss size. That's all. That's the best. That's all the advice I can give you. So see you guys when we see happy Monday. And besides, this is my birthday month, so expect good trades. I'll send her the best trades.